Hello everyone, so the 300,000 mile Prius is sold. Not going to make money on it actually, I'm going to lose about 100 quid. But anyway, it's dirty as anything, and obviously as a courtesy I've said I'll get it cleaned up. So here's how awful it is. Look at the stains everywhere. Not sure that I'll be able to get this out, but let's have a look. So that's the back. Doesn't improve around here, so here's the rear. So you can see muck everywhere. Look at that. And the front passenger side. Ooh, golly. This is horrendous. This isn't too bad comparatively. Stains galore. And a mini Rizzler store in the cup holder. Germs everywhere. Look at that grime. I'm not sure I'm going to be able to do anything with that, but let's see. So there you have it. That's the state of the car. Let's see if I can clean her up. First thing to do is vacuum it. Okay, so nearly 4 hours. Oh my goodness, this car took nearly 4 hours to do. But check out the results. Look at that. Nice and clean. Obviously it's not perfect, but as you can see, it's still drying there, but it's nice and clean now. Remember the cigarette bit? Look at that. Happy days. And the armrest, still got a little bit there, but cleaned that to an inch of its life. I think if I do any more than that, the cloth will rip. So that's good. Ooh, look, all my gear there. And then at the back, that's come out not too bad. That's still drying, so it's a little bit wet there, but presentable. It's still not going to be perfect once it finishes. Look at the back of that. Lovely. So I tried to get the paint out as much as I can on here. Excuse me. Here you go. Not come out too shabby. And then the carpet as well. The centre bit was a bit mucky. So there you go. Nice. Happy with that. I think that must have been like gloss paint or something. That's why it was so difficult. So, and then here you go. Look at this. So this bit here is some sort of motor oil or something. For the life of me I could not get it out, but as you can see, the rest of it has come out lovely. Can't ask better than that, to be honest with you. There you go. So I am totally exhausted. Did I make any money on this? No, unfortunately. This car, it owes me 2,300 and I've just sold it for 200, so I'm losing £100. But not only that, 3.5 hours cleaning it. I did it as a courtesy because I like the people that are buying it, so I did promise them I'll clean it up because it was a biohazard. But yeah, so I've lost 100 quid on this car. Lost about 3.5 hours plus by getting it, advertising it, so viewing. So all in all, it owes me about 6.5, 7 hours in terms of labour time. But you can't win them all, and happy customers and all that. It needed a little bit more work than I thought, so it needs like drop links at the front and ball joints. You've seen my condition video anyway on this, I think. But anyway, if you haven't, look, it needs the rear lens here. But then I priced it accordingly. That's cracked. And then that mirror has no lens on it, but it starts and drives. It needs about good £500-600 worth of remedial work, but even if you left it, it will still take you from A to B. So I priced it accordingly, but do you know what? It's a tough old market, and getting fed up with people coming expecting a brand new car even though they know it's 300,000 miles, and I've gone to the trouble of doing a walk around condition video and they didn't even bother looking at the video, and then start nitpicking on everything. Anyway, it is what it is. Having the right old moan, aren't I? That's because you don't like to spend this much time and lose money, but that's part of the course. If you're trading, you need to be prepared to lose a bit of money sometimes. I'll just reinvest and make sure I make my money on the next one. But here's some before and after pics, everyone, and do like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.